So we did it again. We are on our seventh consecutive green day in a row. We just locked in $51 in profits. At one point, we are up $60 before 9 a.m. So what's going on, guys? Johnny Trades back with another trade recap. And if this is your first time watching, I trade live every day at market open with my LTE team. If you want to check that out, simply subscribe to this channel and click the first link below. That'll give you access to our free Discord. Not only is it free, but you'll have lifetime access to it. But get in now. There's only about 200 spots left. And once those spots are filled up, then you will possibly have to pay later on. So get in now and you'll never have to pay for a lifetime. So we did a great job today, right? We locked in $51 in about an hour and a half of trading. Not too bad. My goal is to make $100 a day, but this was really choppy. Bitcoin itself was really choppy. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, MSTZ is a double leveraged inverse ETF of MSTR, which means when MSTR sells off, we're able to make money because MSTZ will push up. And Bitcoin, again, just a very choppy day with Bitcoin. Starting out the day right here at 7:30. I can draw us a little bit of a line here, a vertical line at 7:30. That's where the market opened. So it opened, it pushed up, it sold off, it pushed up, it sold off, and now it pushed up. So very choppy day. Overall direction wasn't necessarily confirmed. On the 5-minute time frame, it was bullish and then bearish and then bullish. And even on the 30-minute, I didn't like the fact that it was staying above this moving average, or even on the 1 hour, right? It was staying above this moving average very nicely. It had one red candle here, and then it went to the next hour candle, and again held very strong for just a moment. It was below this 200-day moving average, which means it could have sold off, but it found support and it's actually beginning to push up higher. So good thing we actually got out of our MSTZ position, right? Went from lows of 1063 this morning to highs of 1145. And we did a good job by identifying that there was some resistance at 1143. So my last text to the Discord team on this position was selling at 1143, right before that 9 o'clock bell. And look, it's getting back all the profits that it would have gave back all the profits if we would have held. So very choppy day indeed. I bought 100 shares down at 1084 and then sold at 1106. That made me a real nice $25-30 right off the bat. And then I bought at 1119, which was a little bit high, but in the grand scheme of things, I guess it wasn't that high. I bought another 100 shares at 1098 and then sold 100 shares at 1123 and 1121 right after this little break. So understanding, hey, I'm buying here, first signs of resistance, locking in profits, buying, selling, first signs of resistance. And then I bought 100 shares at 1128 and sold at 1129. I made exactly $1 on this 100 shares. I do it at least once a day to where I buy and sell and only lock in $1. I bought another 100 shares at 1132 thinking that it would push higher. At one point it did, pushed up to about 1143, and that's where I sold on this candle right here. And then I bought 50 shares at 1122 and thought it could push back up and go higher. It didn't, and I sold my 50 shares at 1130. So still made $4 on that last trade. Still up $51. I kept my one lucky share to showcase that to you guys. And overall, a solid week. We are already up $300 on the week, and we have one more day of trading. So where do we go from here? Well, if Bitcoin wants to continue to push higher, then we wait for clearer direction. We wait to see if it actually can get that break below the moving average. If it can break below the moving average, as you can see previously, it sells off, and it does a really good job selling off and holding not only below the 200-day moving average, the green line, but the blue 45 EMA, right? And right now, we're not really seeing that in either instance. So MSTR will technically push. It can, doesn't have to. I mean, it could begin to sell off and we can miss a huge leg down. Obviously, this has been very bullish for the last few days, pushed up to $149, sold off back down to 127, and now it just kind of seems to be hovering right around this level of 133 to 138. Right, it is below the moving average, but again, if it finds support, it could rally and it could push up to 140, it could push up to 144, even potentially back up to 149. So again, we did a great job locking in profits, even though direction wasn't necessarily in our favor. I mean, it was, but it was definitely very choppy. And, we may be able to experience another push up for MSTZ. So again, it's not the most money. We've had days recently where we're making $100, $90, $87, $80, another $100. So $50 is by no way a huge win, but we are in the green nonetheless. We're still able to lock in some profits, and that pushes us over to a $300 week. Last week we made $292, so again about 300 bucks, and the week before that we made $360. Now I still have one more day of trading tomorrow. We are going to be going on a little overnight trip, so I'll be trading live tomorrow in a hotel room. So that's going to be great. That's going to be fun. We get a jacuzzi, a hot tub, and a pool that we can enjoy overnight and for Friday going into the weekend. So, gonna be getting ready to pack for our trip, but I wanted to make sure that I at least gave you guys a video so that way you guys, understand and you can be aware of what's going on, not only in the charts, but also a little, sneak peek into what I'm doing in my own life. So, yeah, a very solid day. Again, up $300. We have one more day of trading, and if you would like to watch me trade live and participate in the live chat when I'm trading live, as soon as tomorrow morning, all you have to do is join our Learn to Earn Discord. First link in the description below. And if you get in now, you'll have 100% free lifetime access moving forward. Whether I begin charging other people or not, you will never be charged. You're also going to get access to our Learn to Earn Academy course. It is an A to Z library dedicated to beginners to help them understand how to become a more profitable trader and kind of get a deep inside look as to my trading style to help you find what type of trader you are. Are you a day trader, a swing trader? Are you a momentum trader? Are you a scalper? And then also help you with key terms, indicators, as well as moving averages and how to use them all to, again, be a more profitable trader on a consistent basis. This is my 7th green day in a row. And when I do take a loss, it's a very small loss. It's 10, maybe $20 maximum when I do take a loss. So, risking 10 or $20 to make $80 to $100 plus is pretty good risk to reward for me. And we have a pretty high win rate. So with the combination of both of those, we're able to make consistent money every single day. So hope you guys enjoyed the recap. Again, we will see you all tomorrow for another live day trading session. And I may even go live later on tonight in the room potentially. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and we will see you all in a later video. Later, guys.